This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use SketchUp online. First, navigate to the SketchUp free website using your preferred web browser. You will need a Trimble ID to sign in, which you can create easily if you don't already have one. Once logged in, you'll be presented with a new modeling space, ready for your creative designs. This online version offers robust tools for all your three-dimensional modeling needs. Navigating your model is straightforward. The Orbit tool, found on the left toolbar, lets you rotate your view around your design, giving you a full 360-degree perspective. Use the Pan tool to shift your view up, down, left, or right. For drawing, the Line tool creates edges, and the Rectangle tool quickly forms two-dimensional faces. These fundamental tools are your building blocks. To bring your designs to life, the Push/Pull tool is essential. Simply click on a two-dimensional face and drag it to create a three-dimensional shape, adding depth to your model. You can easily move objects around your workspace with the Move tool, or rotate them with the Rotate tool for perfect alignment. Experiment with different materials and colors to enhance your model's appearance. Saving your work is simple and secure. Your projects are automatically saved to Trimble Connect, SketchUp's cloud storage service, ensuring your designs are always accessible. You can download your models in several formats, such as SKP or PNG, for use in other programs or for presentation. Sharing your three-dimensional creations with collaborators or clients is also very easy, fostering seamless teamwork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.